Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Oh, I'm excited. I've been to this website before, but it's been a couple of years, and they were just kind of getting started. And I was reading the latest issue of the Spectrum magazine, which is a replacement for another magazine called Monitoring Times. And in one of the articles, they mentioned this website. And I remember the website, and I even did a show on this quite some time ago, probably year and a half ago, about this website that has magazines, books, everything you can imagine about radios. And it's called, or the web address is AmericanRadioHistory.com. It's right here in the center. And it's just packed now. They have really expanded this as far as magazines and periodicals, mostly old stuff, some a little more recent, and it's stuff that a lot of it I've never even heard of. I mean, as old as I am, I've never heard of a lot of this stuff. I mean, I've been in to quote radios for no, I can't tell you. I don't want to tell you. No, let's say it's over a half a century. Just say that. Okay. Um, so you go up here at the top and you select one of the categories, or you can search by the first letter, or you can come down here and look for something. So there's many ways you can get to these magazines. So I'm going to use the pull down menus up at the top, and I'm going to just try to find, we'll pick short wave and DX listening, and then it gives you a sub menu, and let's see, popular communications and monitoring times. Those are the two that I used to subscribe to. And I would say of those two, the monitoring times was the best, but the popular communications presented articles that the other one didn't. So they kind of went hand in hand. So let's just pick popular communication. I don't remember when popular. Oh, here it is, right here. See, it even gives you a history. It says the magazine existed between 1982 and 2013. 2013, they quit publishing. So we'll go down here. Now, they don't have every issue, and the way they do this is they either find the issue on their own and they scan it in, or they ask people to submit their magazine, their hard copy, so that they can scan it in and so it's available for everybody. So let's go down and see what's the most recent one they have. See the blank spots here? These are the ones they don't have yet. So they got all of 2013. So let's just pick a month here. May. Click on May. There's the magazine. It's in PDF format. You can either view it on your computer, or the way I have Chrome set up, it will view it. And then if I come over here, I have some more options. Like I can download it, and you can download it. These are free to download. There's no charge. They like donations. Or you can print it out if you've got lots of money to spend on printing it out. Or you can, like I say, just scan it online. So here's Popular Communications, May 2013, and we can just scroll down. And the scanning job they do is excellent. I mean, it's not fuzzy. It's perfect. And of course, it depends on the original. And then, here's all the articles and ads and everything. And what I use, that's pretty cool. What I use this for is when I'm looking at a radio, say on eBay or maybe even a local sale, and I can't find much about it on Google, I'll look through these old magazines, and there might be a review on it. Like here, this is a review of this kit. Yeah, it's a kit. And, this is probably not real well known. This is by QRP Kits. So it may be hard to find information about it, but here's an article, gives, here's pictures, all kinds of details, what you have to do to put it together. You have to build these coils. Oh my gosh, I would never be able to do that. And then another thing is the ads. You can find out information about devices on just looking at their ads. Cool. Isn't this neat? And like I say, it's all free. It's just something that's a great source of information. And I suggest you check it out. Like I said, I haven't been here in a year or so. I think it was the last show I did on this. And it was just getting started. And they were getting magazines in from people and scanning them and then making them available. So it is really, I mean, if you go down through these lists here, they're like, here's consumer electronics. And there's all these subcategories under that, or magazines under that. I mean, it's just, there's Radio Craft. That's an old magazine. Let me just for a second do that one. 1929. And I actually have about 24 of these that are quickly deteriorating. And let's pick the first one, 1929 July. And there it is. And it's like near perfect, you know, there's a couple little rub marks. So someone has sent them this magazine in and they've scanned it in. Oh my gosh, look at this old stuff. Just amazing. 1929. That's even before my time. Wow. So I suggest you go to, let me go back to the homepage, AmericanRadioHistory.com. It's a great source of reference material if you're looking for information about a radio or how things were back then as far as shortwave listening, whatever. Great source. Check it out. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.